Good afternoon. My name is Ibrahim Abdugani Shitu. Welcome to Brainstorm Learning Center. I'm here to take on indices. Indices. When a variable is raised to power a certain number, or when you have a number that is raised to power a certain value, for example, when x is raised to power of b, and then where x is base and b is what power. For example, so we have 3 raised to power 4. 3 represents the base, while 4 represents what? The power. Now from this principle, let's look at the basic law used to analyze any question that are related to indices. That is, we have to call laws of indices. The first law is multiplication. That is multiplication law. Now x raised to power b times x raised to power a equal to, now when you have x raised to power b multiplied by x raised to power a, now since you have the value had possess the same base, you take one of the base and then you add the power, that's b plus a. E.g., 2 raised to power 4 times 2 raised to power 3, the same thing as what? 2, 4 plus 3 equal to 2 raised to power 7. That's multiplication law. Now, the second law, that's division. That is, when x raised to power b divided by x raised to power a equal to, you take one of the base, that's x, and then you subtract the power, that's b minus a. Now let's take another value as an example. For example, you have 3 raised to power 4 divided by 3 raised to power 2 equal to 3 raised to power 4 minus 2, which is equal to 3 raised to power 2. Now let's combine these two laws in terms of question. For example, when you have 4 raised to power 3 times 4 raised to power 2 divided by 4 raised to power 7. Now let's apply these two laws now to solve this question. Look, 4 is common as base, that's 4. And then this multiplication, that's 3 plus 2, that's 3 plus 2. And then this division, that's minus 7. Now equal to 3 plus 2 is 5, that's 5 minus 7. And then 5 minus 7 is equal to what? Minus 2. That's for that. Let's go to the third law. Third law, that's power of 0. That's when you have a raised to power 0, the answer is 1. That is, any number raised to power 0, the answer is 1. For example, 10 raised to power 0 equal to 1. 100 raised to power 0 is equal to 1. X raised to power 0 is equal to 1. That is, any number raised to power 0 is 1. Fourth law. When x raised to power minus a equal to 1 over x raised to power a, e.g., 3 raised to power minus 1 is the same thing as 1 over 3 raised to power 1, which is equal to 1 over 3. That's another example. 4 raised to power minus 2 is the same thing as 1 over 4 raised to power 2. The same thing as 1 over 4 times 4 equal to 1 over 16. Fifth law. When x raised to power, when you have x raised to power b over a, x raised to power b over a is the same thing as x power of b. For example, when you have 8 raised to power 2 over 3, it's the same thing as cube root of 8 power of 2. Now what is the cube root of 8? The cube root of 8 is 2. That will be equal to 2 raised to power 2, and then the answer is 4. When we got 2, you have 32, 2 raised to power of 5. Same thing as fifth root of 32 power of 2. The fifth root of 32 is 2. That's 2 raised to power 2 equal to 4. After x minus a over b, it's also the same thing as, since this is inverse, that's 1 over x raised to power a over b. Apply your principle, equal to 1 over b power of a. For instance, let's use this in form of this number, example number 1 in form of this, that is e.g. you have 8 minus 2 over 3, the same thing as 1 over cube root of 8 power of 2 equal to 1 over, the cube root of 8 is 2, power of 2 equal to 1 over 4. Eight over 27 into minus 2 over 3. You can solve this question in two ways. So let's follow the first principle. 1 over 8 over 27, 2 over 3, the same thing as 1 over cube root of the 8 over 27 power of 2 equal to, the cube root of 8 is 2, the cube root of 27 is 3. Then the same thing as the power of 2 raised to power 2 is 4, that 1 over 4 over the power of 3 raised to power 2 is 9. Now when you have this, 9 go up, equal to what? 9 over 4. Now, if you don't want to follow this principle, then the second method is when you have that's, or you have 8 over 27 into minus 2 over 3. Don't change the denominator to numerator, and then its minus will go equal to 27 over 8 into 2 over 7. Now equal to cube root of 27 over 8. What's the cube root of 27? Is 3. The cube root of 8 is 2. that's power of 2 equal to what? 9/4. That's it. 1/2/5 2/3 9 raised to power 1/3 multiplied by 81 3/4 27 1/3. The third one 64 minus 3/4. Well, let's put it as 1/6. 100 minus 1/2. 25/36 power of minus 1/2. Now let's take that one after the other. Let's take the first question. What we have, the first question, that's solution. The first question is 125 power of 2/3. Immediately you remember this law, that is a raised to power x over b, the same thing as b a into what? Into x. You follow the principle. Now 125 power of 2/3, the same thing as cube root of 125 power of 2 equal to the cube root of 125 is 5. That's 5/5 power of 2, which is equal to 25. That is 5 times 5 is 25. Now the second question. Second question. 9 raised to power 1/3 times 81 3/4 multiplied by 27 1/3. Now, in terms of this question, let's express this one in terms of power of 3. Here we have 3 raised to power 2 into 1/3. Because 3 raised to power 2 is 9, multiplied by, in terms of 3, that's 3 raised to power 4 into 3. Because 3 raised to power 4 is 1, multiplied by 27, that's 3 raised to power 3 into 1/3. Now clear the bracket. That's 3 raised to power 2/3 multiplied by, from this angle, this 4 go with this, that's 3 raised to power 3 multiplied by this 3 go with this 3 also, that will be 3 raised to power 1. Now remember, when you have the same base, you add the power together. Now let's apply the principle. Since we have 3 raised to power 2/3 multiplied by 3 raised to power 3 down 3 raised to power 1, the same thing as take one of the base, add the power because it's multiplication. That's 2/3 plus 3 plus 1. The 3 plus 1 is 4 equal to 3 power of 2/3 plus 4. This over 1. What the LCM is 3 and 1 is 3. That's equal to 3 raised to power. The LCM is 3. 3 goes in 3 is 1. 1 times 2, that's 2. Plus 1 goes in 3 is 3. 3 times 4, that's 12. And then the answer now is 3 power of 14/3. Now the third question. Question 3. What's question 3? We have 64 minus power of minus 1 over 6. This inverse law is the same thing as 1 over 64 1 over 6. Now which is the same thing as what? 1 over 6 root of 64 power of 1. And then what 6 root of 64 is 2. That be equal to 1 over 2 power of 1, which is equal to 1 over 2. That's the answer for this. And then the fourth question follow the same principle also. What's that first question? The first question is 100 power of minus 1 over 2 is equal to simply inverse law. That's 100, square of 100, square root of 100. And the square root of 100 is 10. That's 1 over 10. The last one. What's the last question? That fifth question is 25. That is 6 power of minus 1 over 2. Now I've mentioned it earlier that you can use the two methods to solve this question. This type of question you can use two methods to solve it. The first question, the first method can change the values. Numerator change it to denominator. Why denominator will change to what numerator? That's by inverting the value, which is equal to 36 over 25. Now when you change the values, the sign will turn to positive. That's 1 over 2. And then equal to apply your principle, that's 36 over 25. And then what's square root of 36 is 6. What's square root of 25 is 5. That's which is equal to 1 over 1 over 5. Now that's the best concept to solve indices. But then we're going to look at the indices in terms of fractions, in terms of decimal first. In terms of decimal number, e.g. 0.001 raised to power 1 over 3. Now 0.001 raised to power 1 over 3 can be solved in form of convert the first method, the first step, convert the decimal into fraction. That 1 over 1000. That's power of what? 1 over 3. And then from this angle, apply your law equal to cube root of 1 over 1000. And then the cube root of 1 is 1. The cube root of 1000 is what? Is 10. The answer is 1 over 10. Now also, this example 1, example 2, you have 0.25 1 over 2. Same method, convert this one to the decimal, to fractions, equal to 25 over 100. Got this 1, 2, 25 over 100, power of what? 1 over 2. Same thing as square of 25 over 100. Square of 25 is 5. Square of 100 is 10. Now, therefore, we have 5 over 10, the same thing as what? 1 over 2. My example, 0.64 minus 3 over 2. 0.64 is the same thing as 64 over 100. Therefore, that is 0.64 power of minus 3 over 2. Same thing as what now? 64 over, remove this one now, put this one there, over 100 power of minus 3, power of minus 3 over 2. Now follow the principle. In order to eliminate this minus, this one go on, this one come down. Equal to what? 100 over 64 into what? 3 over 2. It's the same thing as square of 100 over 64 power of 3. Now the square of 100, the square of 100 is 10, while the square of 64 is 8 power of 3. Now you can reduce it to the lowest time. 2 here 5, 2 here 4, equal to 5 over 4 power of 3. This 5 power of 3 is 1, 2, 5, and then 4 into 4 power of 3 is 64. That's 125 over 64. Now, in terms of equation, e.g., you have 3 raised to power x plus 1 equal to 81. That's fine. And then we have 3 raised to power x plus 1 equal to 81. Now when you have this type of question, the best method to apply is indices. Now you have 3 and then we have 81 here. Equate the base. Now 81 can be expressed in terms of power of 3, that is 3 raised to power x plus 1 equal to 3 raised to power 4. Because 3 raised to power 4 is 81. From this, since this is equal to sign, 3 go with 3, and then the power, you give the power. That means x plus 1 is equal to 4. And then make x the sort of formula. This 1 will come to this side. X equal to 4 minus 1. And your x now is equal to what? 3. That one. Second question. 8 raised to power x plus 2 equal to 1 over 64. You have x raised to power x plus 2 is equal to 1 over 64. The first step, apply the second law to change this fraction. That x and 8 raised to power x plus 2 equal to 64 power of minus 1. It's the same thing. And then it's possible 64 can be expressed in terms of what? In terms of 8. That is 8 raised to power x plus 2 equal to 8 power of 2 into minus 1. Because 8 raised to power 2 is 64. And then you have power of minus 1 here. Clear the bracket. That shows that 8 raised to power x plus 2 equal to 8 raised to power minus 2. And then the same procedure. This go with this. And then x plus 2 is equal to minus 2. And then what do you have? X now is equal to minus 2 minus 2. And then x now is equal to minus 4. Now let's look at the first question. That's the solution. You have 0.01, that x plus 1 equal to 1,000. Now I was saying, change this one to fraction, that 1 over 100 of x plus 1 equal to 1,000. Now this is the same thing as 100 power of minus 1 x plus 1 equal to 1,000. And then this 400 can be given, can be written as 10 raised to power minus 2 into x plus 1 equal to 10 raised to power 3. Because 10 raised to power 3 is the same thing as 1000. Open the bracket. That 10 minus 2x minus 2 equal to 10 raised to power 3. Now this one will go with this. That minus 2x minus 2 is equal to 3. Take this one to the other side. Minus 2x equal to 3 plus 2. The minus 2x now is equal to 5. X now is equal to minus 5 over 2. That's the first one. The second question is, that's question 2. What's that question 2? You have 9 raised to power x plus 2 equal to 27 3 plus x. 3 plus x. Now let's represent the base in terms of 3. That here will be 3 raised to power 2, open bracket, x plus 2 equal. That's 3 raised to power 3 into 3 plus x. That's this, they are equal. That's 2x. That is 2 into x plus 2 equal to 3 into 3 plus x. Clear the bracket. Clear the bracket. That's 2x plus 4 equal to 9 plus 3x. Collect the like time. 2x minus 3x is equal to 9 minus 4. That's minus x is equal to 5. X now is equal to minus 5. Second one. Now the third question. The third question is 0, that's question 3. That 0.1 of x plus 1 equal to 10,000. Now this one in terms of that 1 over 10 into x plus 1 is equal to 10,000. Now this one is 10 power minus 1 into x plus 1 is equal to 10 raised to power 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 10 raised to power 4. Here will be 10, clear the bracket, minus x minus 1. When you multiply this, equal to 10 raised to power 4. 10 go with 10, minus x minus 1 is equal to 4. Minus x is equal to 4 plus 1. Minus x is equal to 5. X now is equal to minus 5. In terms of quadratic equation, e.g., you have 25 power of x minus 5 power of x minus 20 is equal to 0. Now when you have this type of questions, you need to apply law of indices before that lead to quadratic equation. Recall that this 25 can be written as 5 power of 2 into x. That's 25, okay, minus 20 is equal to 0. Now exchange the value of 2 and x. That will be 5 raised to power x into 2 minus 5 power of x minus 20 is equal to 0. Now we have the same value now. Now so let 5 raised to power x is equal to p. Anyway, you see 5 raised to power x, substitute at p. That p squared minus p minus 20 is equal to 0. And this is quadratic equation. Then you can apply any method you know how to in quadratic equation. Now look at this value, it's factorizable. I still have applied factorization method. Since you have minus p and minus 20, that will be p squared minus 5p plus 4p, because minus 5p and plus 4p is equal to minus p. And then minus 5 times plus 4 is equal to minus 20. That minus 20 is equal to 0. Then we have p into p minus 5 then plus 4 into what? P minus 5 equal to 0. So you have the same factor. You take one. Therefore, you have P minus 5 into P plus 4 equal to 0. And then equate them in order to find the value of P. And then if P minus 5 is equal to 0, P now is equal to 5. Or if P plus 4 is equal to 0, P now is equal to minus 4. That means P now have two answers, 5 or minus 4. And then in terms of this question, you go for positive value. That means the answer now is P. Then now go back to that, since x raised to power 5 raised to power x is equal to P. Therefore, anywhere you see P, substitute as 5. That 5 raised to power x is equal to 5. Now, how are you going to equate both of them? That means this one is power of 1. That means x raised to power 5 raised to power x is equal to 5 raised to power 1. So I'll go with this. X now is equal to 1. That's the answer. Example 2. You have 2x plus 1 plus 3x plus 2 is equal to 12. Here, since you add the power, show that this plus 1 is 3 raised to power 1. That is 3 raised to power 1 times 3 raised to power 2 power of 3 raised to power 2x plus 3 raised to power 2 times 3x is equal to 12. That's the interpretation. Because the same base, when you add this one and this together, it will give you this. This plus this will give you this. From this angle now, this 3 raised to power 1, that's 3 into 3x power of 2 in terms of this, plus 3 raised to power 2, that's 9 into 3 raised to power x is equal to 12. Now let 3 raised to power x is equal to y. That's 3 into y plus 9y is equal to 12. That's 3y squared plus 9y minus 12 is equal to 0. Now 3y squared plus 9y minus 12 equal to 0. 3, 9, and 12. They have the same, they have something in common. 3 is their factor. That divide through by 3 to reduce the value. That's y squared plus 3y minus 4 is equal to 0. So this value is factorizable also. Now how are you going to factorize it? That y squared plus 4y minus y minus 4 is equal to 0. Because 4y minus y is equal to 3y. 4 times minus 1 is minus 4. That's y into y plus 4 minus 1 into y plus 4 is equal to 0. Same factor, that means y plus 4 into y minus 1 is equal to 0. Now y now equal to minus 4 or 1. Now you go for positive value. Therefore, from this angle now, since 3 raised to power x is equal to y, put 1 there. That 3 raised to power x is equal to 1, but y is 1. Now, apply law of indices. How are you going to express 3 that will give you 1? That means, remember that anything raised to power 0 is 1. That 3 raised to power x is equal to 3 raised to power 0. Because 3 raised to power 0 is 1. Then you have the same base now. 3 go with 3. That means the answer now is what? X is equal to 0.